Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing our 12th practical problem in the chapter Process Costing. A product passes through three distinct processes 1, 2 and 3 to completion. 20,000 units of raw materials are introduced to process 1 at rupees 30 per unit. The following related to the processes. Process 1, 2, 3. We are given sundry materials, labor, overhead as percentage on labor, actual output, normal wastage on input, scrap value of wastage. This is the question. We are required to prepare process account. We are entering the solution. Draw process 1 account. In the question we are given 20,000 units of raw materials are introduced to process 1 at rupees 30 per unit. It is the material introduced. It is to be debited in the process 1 account. Materials 20,000 units at rupees 30, rupees 6 lakh. Materials quantity 20,000, amount 6 lakh. Sundry materials rupees 20,000. Labor 80%, overhead 50% on labor. Therefore, the amount of overhead in process 1, it is 40,000. 80,000 labor into 50%, rupees 40,000. Labor in the process 1, rupees 80,000. Overhead as percentage on labor 50%. Therefore, amount of overhead in process 1 is equal to 80,000 into 50%, rupees 40,000. These are to be debited in the process 1 account. Sundry materials 20,000, labor 80,000, overhead 40,000. Normal wastage on input 10%. It is normal loss. Scrap value of wastage rupees 10. These are to be credited. Normal loss 20,000 input 10%, 2,000 units. The percentage of normal wastage on input 10%. Therefore 20,000 into 10%, 2,000 units. Scrap value rupees 10. 2,000 into 10 rupees 20,000. It is to be credited. Normal loss 2,000 units, rupees 20,000. We are given actual output of process 1, rupees 18,000. This is to be credited by transferring to process 2 account 18,000 units. See, in the debit side, input 20,000. In the credit side, normal of 2,000. Transfer to process 2, 18,000. That is output. Debit side 20,000, credit side 2,000 plus 18,000, 20,000. There is no difference in the debit and credit side of quantity column. Therefore, there is no abnormal loss or abnormal gain. Debit side quantity column total 20,000, credit side quantity column total 20,000, no difference, no abnormal gain or loss. Therefore, balance the account total 20,000 units, 7,40,000 amount, the balance being 7,20,000. It is to be transferred to process 2. By process 2, 18,000 units, rupees 7,20,000. This is the process 1 account. Draw process 2 account and debit the transfer from process 1, 18,000 units, 7,20,000. In the problem we are given there is sundry materials rupees 43,800, labor 60,000 and 50% of labor as overhead. That is 60,000 into 50%, rupees 30,000 being overhead. These are to be debited in the process 2 account. Sundry materials 43,200, labor 60,000 and overhead 30,000. There is also normal wastage 10% on input and its scrap value rupees 15. Credited normal loss 10% of input, that is 1800 quantity, 1800 into 15, 27,000 amount. The output of process 2 to be transferred to process 3, 16,400 units. Credited process 3, 16,400 units. And there is difference in the quantity of debit side and credit side. In the debit side, the quantity total 18,000. In the credit side, the quantity total 18,200. There is difference. There may be abnormal gain or loss. See, input 18,000 less normal loss 10%, 1,800. Now we get normal output 16,200. Our actual output from process 2 16,400. Here the actual output is greater than the normal output. That excess of actual output is known as abnormal gain 200 units. It is to be debited in the process account. Debit side abnormal gain 200. Now we are entering into workings for the valuation of output and abnormal gain. Workings in 2 columns. Material with all cost 18,000. Debit side total 8,53,200. It is the total of transfer from process sundry materials, labor and overhead. The total amount in the debit side 8,53,200. Deduct normal loss 1,800. Its scrap value 27,000. Now we get normal output 16,200. Normal cost 8,26,200. Then our actual output being 16,400 and abnormal gain 200. Find normal cost per unit. It is normal cost divided by normal output. Here normal cost 8,26,200 divided by normal output 16,200. We get rupees 51. Value the actual output and abnormal gain at rupees 51. Value of actual output 16,400 into 51. We get 8,36,400. Value of abnormal gain 200 into 51. We get 10,200. Credit the amount of actual output and debit the amount of abnormal gain in process 2 account. Process 3 16,400 units 8,36,400. Abnormal gain 200 units 10,200. Get the total of process 2 account 18,200 8,63,400. This is the process 2 account. Draw process 3 account and debit the transfer from process 2 16,400 8,36,400. In the question there is sundry materials, labor and 40% of labor 70,000 into 40% rupees 28,000 as overhead. Debit all these items, sundry materials, labor and overhead. We are given the percentage of normal wastage 5% and scrap value 20. Credited 5% of input 16,400 into 5%, 820 at rupees 20, 16,400 normal loss. Actual output 15,500 credited. Transfer to finished stock account 15,500. In the debit side, the total being 16,400. In the credit side, the total being 16,320. Input 16,400 less normal loss, it is 820. We get normal output 15,580. Actual output we are given 15,500. There is shortage of 80 units in actual output. That 80 units is abnormal loss. Normal output 15,580. Actual output 15,500. The difference 80 units being abnormal loss, and it is to be credited. Abnormal loss 80 units. Now we are entering into workings for the computation of value of finished stock and abnormal loss. Material with all cost. Debits the total 16,400, amount 9,51,200. Less normal loss 820, 16,400. Now we get normal output 15,580, normal cost 9,34,800. Our actual output 15,500, abnormal loss 80 units. Then find normal cost per unit, that is normal cost divided by normal output. 9,34,800 divided by 15,580. We get rupees 60. Value of actual output 15,500 into 60. 9,30,000. Value of abnormal loss 80 units into 60. 4,800. Credit the value of actual output and abnormal loss in process 3 account. Abnormal loss rupees 4,800. Finished stock rupees 9,30,000. Get the total of process 3 account 16,400, 9,51,200. This is the process 3 account. Okay. So thank you.